You love your backyard pool, but it does have some limitations. You enjoy swimming laps, but a short pool means a flip turn after every 3 strokes. Even your kids can get bored with it. That's why so many families turn to the Fastlane by Endless Pools. The Fastlane installs easily into pools of any size and any shape to provide a smooth, fully adjustable swim current, transforming your pool into an ocean of fun and fitness. Swim without interruption. Just set the Fastlane current to your pace. It adjusts for everyone, from beginners to competitive swimmers. Use the Fastlane to make a lazy river for the kids. Turn up the power to kayak or boogie board against the current. Get the health benefits of aquatic aerobics, therapy, and even jogging. Love your pool even more. Contact us today to learn more about the Fastlane by Endless Pools.